Good afternoon, everyone, and today welcome back again with me in Nilby Story. And today I still in SANUR part, HARBOUR. This is part of east of Bali, and you can see the situation now so slowly in this part. And I will try to let you know about the situation in this part. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, it's not my part. This is not my first time to come here, but I come here so many times. It's 3 times or 4 times in here. And you can see if you want to go to Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan, you can go there by boat, and you need to go to the port for trip in Nusa Penida. This time in the evening the weather is very hot, and so very hot today, but you can see the weather is very good, not foggy, but the air condition is very hot in the morning. This 11 p.m. in the morning, and yeah, the Bali is very hot, but normally it's rainy season. But I don't know the eclipse or the weather cannot to predict it today. In the left side and the right side, so many shop of them to selling the drink, and the situation now is very slowly, and you can see in the left side so many shop here. It's very good if you need to something stuff or you forget to buy drink, you can find in around here. This is November 20 November, but you can see it's not so crowded and a little bit quiet now. So many people chill here. Maybe in the next month they will so busy again, because this is a low season of the years, November 2023. Yeah, a lot of tourists, but not so much like normal holiday season. And you can see over there, this is a part of the port, new port in SANUR, maybe opened in 2 or 3 years ago, to be starting to operate it. This is new building here. Let's see. This is Pantai Matahari Terbit. The beach in the East Bali. Let's go. I will go to port today. This is a parking area for this is a parking area for motor and car. This is a new area. I came here around 3 months ago, and today very slowly. But the port always busy at the moment, because always in 15 minutes maybe a lot of boat go to Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan Island. It's very iconic in Bali. Normally this is not trespassing, but this still have one way for the going there. This is port. You can see this is for departure. If you go to Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan, at the boat over there, and the boat over there, you need to go to the port, and after you buy a ticket and booking first, and now you can go to there with the boat over there. Let's see about the situation in around here. Busy or no? But I can see this parking area is so empty. It's mean maybe the situation not very crowded, not very busy today. Maybe a bit slowly. It's November is slowly time. It is the main gate. Very slowly. Not so many people here. Still building there the projects. Not so many people here. Normally so much people go, but I don't know today. Not so many people here. Like the normal or the busy time. Still in the port SANUR. You can see the situation now is very good. This is part of SANUR Harbour. You can buy a ticket around here, ticket booth. So many ticket booth around here. So many cafe also. You can see maybe this is a new area in the next of SANUR port. In the parking area, and so many shop staff here. But don't worry if you go to Nusa Penida and you not ready to buy a ticket. You can find in around here so many put ticket place in here. This is in a parking area of SANUR port, and today not really busy, but so still many people around here and so many tourists still. I let you know about the situation now. You can see the left side is chief shop, and over there is the restaurant and so many shop, mini market. This is good. And the ATM also over there. Today, don't forget, find a cash money. If you go to over there, yeah. Bali is very tropical place. It means you almost ready for the hot weather and need you ready for sunburn. So many people around here. This is MKM is like a small business for local people mark and shop over here. So many like art. Hello. This is a tipat tahu, or like tofu and rice. This is a local food and so many drink around here. But good if you need to something stuff and easy for find out.